and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on sectional solids. The question is given, we have a pentagonal prism of base 30 and height 50. So first I'll explain this whole sum in this 3D software, that is Tinkercad, and later I'll explain you how to draw it manually. First I have taken a pentagon. Now the question says whose base is perpendicular to VP and it is standing on HP. So I have placed the pentagon on the HP and its side is perpendicular to VP. So first I have placed this pentagon on HP. Now for making its perpendicular to VP, its side, I'll rotate this pentagon. So these are the three planes, HP, VP and PP. Now I have rotated this. Now its side is perpendicular to VP. So this is the front view of the object. From the front view it will look like a rectangle. From the top view it will look like a pentagon shape. And this is the side view. So from the side view these two lines are hidden, which will be behind. So those will be dotted. Further, the question says it is cut at an angle of 45 degrees through the midpoint. So for cutting, we have placed an object of a hole, grouped them. So this is how the part is cut. So from the front view, this is how it will look. But as we have to plot the normal front view, the whole rectangular block will be in the front view. But this is how it will look when it is sectioned. This is how it will look from the top view, the sectional part, and this is the sectional left hand side view. These two lines will be hidden, that will be behind. Now hope so you have understood the sum, how we have to draw. This is how the three-dimensional sectional part will look. Now after this, we'll move to drawing the actual sum manually. So to draw it manually, first we will draw a horizontal straight line. This will be XY plane. Now we have to draw a pentagonal prism with 30 mm base side. So first I'll consider a point anywhere on this line. We'll draw a perpendicular line. Now base is 30. So this is how the pentagon will be in the horizontal plane. So this side is 30. Now as you know, the angle of the pentagon is 108 degrees. So from both the ends, I'll mark the point at an angle of 108 degrees. Then we'll draw the light lines through them, as the side of the pentagon should be 30 mm. So now on compass, I'll take the distance at 30 mm. Keep the pointer, cut an arc on these lines. Then through these arcs, I'll cut and join the arcs. And we'll get the fifth point. Now joining this pentagon dark. So this is how the pentagon will be in the top view or in the horizontal plane, as you can see in the animation also. Now extending this points upward towards the front view. So as we have seen earlier, the front view of the pentagonal prism will look like a rectangle shape. Now height of this is 50 mm. So from this axis, I'll mark a point 50 mm above and we'll draw this line dark. Now we'll draw the perpendicular line from here and parallel line from here. So this is the rectangle shape of the pentagonal prism. This line will also be dark, as this is one of the edge of the prism. So this is this point. Now marking these points as A, B, C, D and E. Now further the question says we have to cut by a sectional plane of 45 degree through the midpoint. So first I'll mark the midpoint of this width and the midpoint of the height. midpoint of the height will be at a distance of 25 millimeter as the total height is 50. So marking the point. So we have exactly got the center of this prism. Now we have to cut an angle of 45 degrees. So first I'll draw a reference angle 45 degree. So from this point I've taken an angle of 45 degree. We'll take that as the reference and through the midpoint draw the dotted lines that will represent the sectional part. So from here it is cut. Now in the question we have to draw the normal front view. So this is the normal front view. In the GIF I've shown the sectional part. If in the exam the sectional part is asked, then we have to draw like this. Now before moving towards the sectional side view, first I'll mark these points also. This will be A dash, the cut part will be B dash E dash, and the cut part over here will be D dash C dash. Now moving towards the side view, first we have drawn an 45 degree angle line. Now we'll take all the projections from the front view towards the side view, from the sectional part and also from the top part. Now from the top view towards the 45 degree angle line and from the 45 degree angle line upwards towards the side view. Now we have to draw the sectional side view. So this is how the sectional side view we have seen. Now we have to locate the points. This point, the E, and from here E dash, this point will be E double dash. This is D. From here D dash, this will be D double dash. Then this is C. From here C dash, this will be C double dash. From here B, this is B dash. From here B double dash. Then A dash, this will be A double dash. Now joining all these points will give the sectional part in the side view as shown in the GIF. So this is the hexagonal shape in the sectional side view. So as you can see in the GIF, this part will also be dark. This is the front part from the side view. So this will be dark as you can see in the GIF. And the backside two lines will be dotted and hidden, which I'll draw it later at the end. So watch it till the end. Now if we have been asked the sectional front view, then this part only would have been dark and the remaining part would have been light, but we have been asked the normal front view. Now moving towards drawing the true shape. So first we'll draw the axis line parallel to this line. So this is the x dash y dash line. This is the new base line or the axis line for the true shape. Now through these points we will draw perpendicular line cutting the x dash y dash line. So from this point and also from this point. Now on compass we'll take a distance from the axis xy line from this point till A. Then keep it on x dash y dash line. Cut an arc on this line. This you can mark as capital A. I'm marking as small a. Then on the compass take a distance till E. Keep it here. Cut an arc. This will be E. From the axis till B. Keep it on this axis. Cut an arc, that will be B. From the axis till D. Take the distance. Keep it here. Cut an arc from the axis till C. Keep on the x dash y dash axis and cut at the top. Now joining all these points will give me the true shape. So marking this dimension. This you can mark capital A, B, C, D, E. Now joining all these points, this will be the true shape of the section part. Now here just a tip, if you want this true shape closer, then you have to draw the top view upward. Now drawing the section lines, drawing this at an angle of 45 degree. Draw it consistently, the gap should be maintained properly. You have to draw this in the true shape as well. So marking this as the true shape. The dimension, this is 30 millimeter, height is 50 millimeter. This is the normal front view. This is the sectional top view. This is the sectional left hand side view or the side view. Now this was I talking about, this will be dotted as this is hidden. You can see in the GIF also. The back side two lines will be hidden, so drawing it dotted. So with this we are totally done with the sum. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section. You can also connect with me on Instagram.